Hi, I'm Squeaky Moore. I'm the pitch guru, and I attended Lucinda's Secure the Bag workshop, and it was awesome. So, what did I get from that? As a business leader, it was very important for me to scale my business and go to the next level. So, the Secure the Bag workshop helped me become clear on what I needed to do next. It was full of action, right? The course was full of action. Everything was about the next actions. And Lucinda was amazing in that she had an abundance of ideas of how we could take um, our business to these next levels. She, from writing down the numbers that we need to make, from getting us to think outside of the box or think small minded on the numbers, but to really thinking like millionaires, like huge business moves. So it allowed me to 10x a lot of my ideas. I believe in going 10 times bigger on how I think, and it was certainly that for me. Um, she was she was great at she was the course is focused on results. Everything about the course is focused on the results and taking action. And so you should definitely take the workshop. I'm thrilled, and what I love most about it is it wasn't just a course where we did the work and it was done. It's like now we have accountability partners. We truly have a mastermind group, and in the group she's been putting all of this amazing stuff, showing us different websites that work, um, and why they work. It's the why behind it. So it's really been an amazing. It was an amazing experience, and it's been going super well. You should definitely take the course.